Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I thought we'd have some fun today and work on our Waterfall Halloween journal. So let's see what we need to do. We've got 4 big pages. We did this yesterday. Oh my goodness, we have way more than I thought we would. Okay, I remember we were going to wax this. So, let me, while we're working, and I hope that's going to work, let me plug this iron in and get this heating, and we will wax those pages. And while this is heating up, we'll start working on some other things. My cord is pretty stiff. Okay, so I had gotten a hold of this, and I had spoken before. I thought this was Tim Holtz. This is not Tim Holtz. I don't know who it is, but it is not Tim Holtz. I was thinking I wanted to put this there. And I guess the question becomes, do we want a pocket, or this is a tuck? Maybe we'll do a tuck. So we're going to have to, just to stress this a little bit, we will make this a tuck. And we can revisit this later if we want to add something else to it. But this is pretty cute. So I'm thinking, let's go ahead, make this a tuck towards the inside. So we are going to glue the bottom and glue the side. And my iron might be warm enough. I can kind of smell the heat. You know how that is. So then we've got, yeah, that'll work. So I think we might be ready to wax these pages. And then I think we'll work on this. So let me put this up. Let me grab this nasty looking thing, but we need it. And I think we are going to grab that. And of course, what are you thinking, Charlotte? You need your pages right here. Keeping my fingers crossed, this will work. So I have my votive candle right here. Let's try it down here first just to see what is going to happen. I put this on my Medieval Mirage journal and loved it. Loved the effects, and the person that purchased that journal absolutely loved it as well. So let's see. Oh yeah. It is just going to make it look older. See the difference? Hopefully you can see that. So this just is going to go so well with this journal. These pages, I've had these skeletal pages for years, so I have absolutely no recall what book they came out of. But I'm finally able to use them, and so, and makes me really happy. And I'm going to show you the difference in just a second. So you can see that. Look at that difference in color, but the feel is incredible. So we're going to do the other side. And this is a solid piece of wax, so that's good. Don't have to worry about the wick and that metal piece. Sorry about that. Okay. Let's put this little piece on there. This is great. Okay. It makes it look older. And I will hold it up so that you can see it. See the difference? Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Yes, perfect. That is, look at that. Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Let me get this. And we're falling apart, and that's okay. We are going to use all of this. Those chunks are a little bit too big. The smaller chunks don't bother me. They give kind of a grease effect, just like that there, which I think makes the paper look just that much older. So that to me is a good thing. That does not bother me at all. So we will leave these chunks on here. Just like that. And we'll turn it over and do the other side. Oh, so cool. And use some of this. Sorry guys, I know I'm being very quiet. I apologize for that. My ears are a little bit plugged from, I know I've got a cold or the start of a cold. Got to get rid of it before the end of next week when we go to the wedding. So do this. Get this on there. Kind of smash this in. And put this aside then for another project. Do this and we can unplug our iron. Look at how cool. Okay. So let me unplug this. I'm going to get it out of the way so I don't burn myself. And then we'll have a look at this and see what we've got. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, just you pull this out and it just looks beautiful. Old, and it's just so soft. Pages just come out so nice. So they went right in here. Put them like that. And then we will need something. We still have a lot of ephemera to make. I decided, we played with this yesterday, and I decided I want to put him on this page. So we are going to use our glue stick. Hopefully this is going to work and I'm not going to tear. I've had really good luck putting a napkin down using this technique of the glue stick instead of the collage page. The collage page used to be a favorite of mine, but I have found that you rarely get any wrinkles at all when you do it like this. So I like that. And we don't have to do anything on top of this. We don't have to Mod Podge it, Collage Podge it. We don't have to do anything. It is down there and it looks good. We're going to be okay. So we're a little bit over the spine, but I think we're going to be all right with that. We could let me see if I can find my tweezers. Where are you? Let's see if I can just tear some of this off. We don't need all this. I don't want to add glue. So I think we're going to be good. Okay, moving on. We had this piece here. I think I was going to put that there. Let me kind of move to this page because I know what I wanted to do here. So let's do this. I know I want this skeleton rub-on to go here, like that. So I had some, let's try this. I don't know that that works as well as this here. Hopefully, it's kind of hard for me to see what is part of the ghost and what's the skeleton. We don't want him to miss any of his bony fingers. How's everybody doing? Well, I hope. All right, I'm going to grab a pen and just kind of start to lift this and see where I have an issue, if I do have an issue. kind of get the idea. Of where that might be. I did some rub-ons earlier without putting the camera on, but I hate to have you miss anything of this book because we really wanted to do it together. So let's see if I can tell where I have an issue. And I think we're going to be good. Yes, we are. Yay! He is down. Look at that. Oh, it just looks like he's part of the page, and I like that. Then I was going to put this up there. That is going to take quite a bit of glue in a lot of little spots, but I think probably the most important is going to be the ends. I'm not going to worry about all the little webs. Let's do the ends. This is what can come up. This is what we're thinking about right here. So let's get this, because I think if we get this down, we're going to be okay. Hopefully everybody's doing all right. Not a lot going on between yesterday and today. Just normal everyday life. Missing my mom. And I know a lot of you out there have lost your parents, family members, and you're missing yours as well. And I don't anticipate the holidays are going to be easy, but okay. I think with any luck, that is going to be good. As long as our ends are down, I am not worried about the webbing because it shouldn't affect the page at all. If you wanted to add something, well, I don't know what you would add, but then I had this Prima. No, this is not Prima. This is Graphic 45. How cute is this? And this was one of the little rub-ons I added, was this skull right here earlier, and then I put some glossy accents on, and I thought, let's do a pocket. Let's put a pocket here and add that in the pocket. So I want to come over, because that has bulk, that piece has bulk, we want to make sure that this is down and is not going to come up. About right there, the ghost heads. And then on top of this is kind of a 3D paper, which is cool. It's got bumps. This was in the kit, has the butterfly. It's got the number 31, and I glossy accented that. And I guess we could make a tuck. Should we make a tuck? You know what, why not? Because if we make a tuck, then that means we can put something in that tuck. That just makes it even more interesting. So we're going to make a tuck out of this right here like that. And as I'm looking around, what do I have? That's some little cutesy thing. We have this, and I glossy accented that. This could go in here. Nope, don't like that. Okay, let's see what we've got. Still have not found my paper dolls, my Tim Holtz paper dolls, but I have all these little minis. So, how about a witch? How about not anything that's going to get lost? How about Wicked? Witch and Wicked. Anything larger? How about this? And this might be perfect right here, so let's not lose these guys. I love Halloween, guys, you know. I heard from one of my subscribers, she's not a fan, and that's okay. Not everybody is. It's just cool ephemera that we get to play with once a year, and I love that. So that'll work. Let's put this in. I know I'm being fairly quiet today, I'm sorry. Thinking, and then how about this piece right here? I did my very first YouTube shorts. Hopefully it showed up, and you can see, if you're interested, I did it on the mess of my desk. So any of you that are curious to know what my mess looks like, you can catch it in the shorts. Okay, that page is cool. Look at that. Oh, yes, I like that. Now, do we want a sticker? Any kind of a sticker. Let's see what we've got. No, I think we'll leave that. Sometimes let's not mess around. And then let's come back to this side. And we have this cutie. That's a rub-on, that bat that I added. And then there's glossy accents here. And there's a really cute tag, matches this right here. And I thought he would be really cute there. We could just glue it down, or we could take the same paper and create another pocket over here that matches. So why don't we do that? So let me cut this in my lap. I'm going to cut it in my lap in case you're wondering where I'm at. That's where I'm at. And I'm going to guess it was 2 inches, and it was. And I did take a divot. So we're going to take a divot. Just like that. And of course, I'm wearing the divot. And then we are going to distress this. And we may need to find something. This is a lot of orange, so see if we can find something to put on the front of this. I got some Gilder's wax that I'm eager to play with. So I think we will put this here just like that. And that was good use of this paper because it's got the label on the back. All right, we are coming along with this, guys. It is a lot to fill these up. I've got to tell you, it really is. It takes a lot of ephemera. When I was doing it, planning it, I didn't really think about it, but it does. It takes a lot of ephemera. Nope, don't think I like that. All right, what are we going to put here? What do we have that would be so cute? Not so much that. That's kind of like an Alice. Remedies. Remedies is cute, this ticket. Let's use that. And because I don't trust the sticker, even though it's sticky, this will not have a pocket. That's okay. Now, we may come back later when we're going through this to decorate it, and we may say, ooh, let's add. But for right now, I think that's pretty cute. And maybe something up at the top. Let's see what we've got. Let's see. Maybe we shall use this. And then if we want to add more to this, we could later. We want to put a rub on if we want to put a pumpkin. If we want to add just about anything, we could. Ooh, that's cute, isn't it? I had another plan for him, but that's kind of cute. Let's wait. He'd be cute down here too. All right, to be revisited. We will come back to that. So we've got that. We did this. We need something for in there. I added rub-ons down here this morning, and I added skull rub-on here, and I added that. So this page, for the most part, except for whatever we're going to put inside this little pocket, we have to create something for there. This page, I have this orange bag, and I created a pocket, and I thought that would be really cute here. So we'd have a pocket here, and I think I'm going to make that a pocket. So glue. Let's go ahead and glue this down. We want to glue the back here, and the bottom, and up the side, and make sure there's enough glue on this that we're not going to go anywhere. I just thought this looked really, really cute with the owls. So we have our bag. Make sure I didn't glue the bag down. Glue it closed. And don't forget, we still have to come back and decorate all of this. This needs to be decorated. This is not done. Let's see. I don't think that will fit. that will fit. Let's just wait. Otherwise, yeah. So we did this, we did that. And then I had this bag. I mean, I just came across all these bags, guys, and you know, you can put so much in these. So I did put 3 stickers up here, and I am going to, I think this bag is perfect here, and I'm going to use it as just a bag without an opening on the side or a pocket in the back. So we are going to glue this down. It's exactly what we need. See if I get my finger in here. And I think this page is adorable. I might go ahead and glossy accent the spider. We'll see. So we've got a bag. Doesn't that just, it just looks really cute. So we have that page, and we have, okay, what I was gonna do here was use this as a pocket, make this a journal book, little journal booklet that will fit in there, and hoping that this won't be too thick. We don't want to make that too thick, so let's go ahead, let's work on this. So we're not going to stuff that really full of pages, because if we do and this doesn't work, we're in trouble. So love this black pumpkin with the black bats. Let me hold this just for a second to make sure it adheres, and then we will work on this little booklet here. Should fit in there, but you know, the thicker it gets, the harder it becomes because of the bulk. And then I was thinking I might like this here. So let's go ahead. Let's figure this out. So we need some pages. So let's cut this. I am going to have this in my lap, my cutter in my lap. This measures, how wide are we? We are about 2. So let me cut some strips at 2 inches. There's 1. 2. Okay, we're going to make do with that. We are going to make this work. So let's see what we've got. We're going to fold these in half. So that'll be 4. And they kind of have a raggedy edge because I need to see that, because I need to change out my blade, but it is a Halloween journal. So the raggedy edge to me is perfect. All right, let's see what we've got here. I don't know how I went from large one to these smaller ones, but somehow I did. So let's see if we will fit here. And we will. So what I am going to do is take this then to the sewing machine, and I'm going to do that off camera, and I'm just going to stitch across there like that. That will give us this cute little book. Actually, I'll be stitching, maybe what I'll do is just stitch right down the center that way. Or, now I'm thinking about it, this is a good place to add some beads. So maybe what we should do is, you know what? We're not going to do that either. We're going to stitch this so that we can add some beads, and I'm just going to put 2 holes in it. My awl. Just 2 holes, just like that. And we need some thread. Let's see if I got a piece that in my scrap pile that I can use. This will work. Thread our needle. I'm hoping thread our needle. Okay, so I want the tails on the outside, so I'm going to come inside and then go to the outside, and then we're going to tie it off, making sure that we have long enough tails to be able to add beads and not have it look funky. So we're just going to take this. We're going to get it as tight as we can. Just like this. Just like that. Take the alligator clips off. And then we have this little booklet. Just like that, we will come back and put charms or something like that on here. But I think it needs a whatsy. It needs a little, there we go, just to keep it closed like that. Oh, and I think on the front, there's our little booklet, but I think on the front here, I wanted to put this skeleton sticker. Oh, I wanted to add him. Need to get all the pieces off that we don't want. Put a little glue on him. Maybe go just around him a little bit. I can probably do that when I get him down. He is pretty sticky, but I don't want him to find a home, because I will list this. If it doesn't sell, then I will keep it. But this book will go in my shop, and I don't want somebody receiving something and have him look like he's trying to hop off the page. We don't want that. We don't want anybody hopping off the page. Oh, that is cute. I'm just going to give him a little bit of color here. That is really, really cute. So we have a paper clip there. Let's see how we do here. We will have beads there. Maybe this should come because there's going to be beads on the left side. Let's put this on the right side and see if we've got, this is going to work. Oh, I think it will. Look at that. Really, really cute. And if you don't like this, let's move it over here towards the outside and move this way. There's always more room towards the outside than around the spine. So that will get beads. Oh, that page. That's just really cute. I have no idea what we're going to do with the cover, but let's see what we've got going. Perfect. We need that page. We need decoration here. Now we've got this really cute tag there. Yeah, don't like that. Okay. Now I was thinking about maybe putting him here too, but not a fan. All right, this page is probably about done. This needs little booklet with that. This needs a spider, I think. Ooh, that's kind of cute though. I really wanted to do a spider, but I like that pumpkin. All right, we won't worry about that right now. Yeah, we just need to get the decorations out. This I absolutely love. This is just really cute. I don't like this yellow. I'm wondering, I don't think I can get it off. Let me see. It's too yellow is the issue. That's better. I wonder if maybe we should put him kind of just want to get him in a place. I don't like him there, but I do like him there. So what should we do, guys? Should we just put that there like that and get him out of here? And then maybe we'll do a word there. Let's see if I can come across my Tim Holtz words. That's way too white. So let's go ahead. Let's stick this guy down. He's felt. And he is pretty cool. And I want him off my desk. So let's put him there. And then let's see, somewhere right in here, I do have my book of Tim Holtz words. Oh, if you want to see the mess I'm dealing with, really, go look at my shorts. It's terrible. Really terrible. I can't see cleaning up until we're done. It makes no sense to me. The chaos I work in is truly amazing. And it doesn't look like I have black words, so I'm going to have to go with, yeah, my mind is going right now, so I wonder, this right here, that looks good. Let's see. You know what? Let's put this up there and still see if we can, let's put a word or an expression down at the bottom. So I do like that. move this over because I do not want to cover up that skull. Is that straight? I think so. All right. Yeah, it just needed, we still could use a word. All orders promptly attended to. Calls answered day or night. I'm afraid that might be a little bit too long. I wonder, let's see. Let's see if we can use this right here. Can we use this right here? We can. Okay. I know you guys are probably going to be so tired of waterfall journals by the time I'm done, but I have to be perfectly honest with you. I think I want to get some Christmas paper, and I want to make a mini waterfall journal, probably this size, and fully decorate it. I just think it'll be so cute. Let's see about if we've got something that might work. Calls answered day or night. The silence. Maybe the silence. Mischief. Wonderful secret. Let's use a wonderful secret. And I still haven't found my paper dolls. I am hoping, I know I've got paper dolls. I know that I probably won't find them. I'll finish this book. I'll go to clean up and there'll be my paper dolls. And I'll just want to cry. Okay, that is just too cute. That is really, really cute. And then we can always put something else in here. It doesn't have to be. Do I have any of those? I've got bingo cards, and I'm kind of looking. Do I have any more of the tarot cards? I don't think you can even get the tarot cards anymore. Let's see if he's too big. And then the carve. What's not to love? We want to fill this up. Cute, really cute. And we'll come back and see if we're going to do some more. We need something for here. This is fantastic. These papers, they kind of picked up the orange, and they're just so soft and pliable. And they have an orange candle scent. I love that. So we'll see. We may add something to this. All right. We have got the big pages to do. I don't think we could add to this without any trouble. We've got these 2 pages. These pages I think are done unless we just want to add some tags. We've got these 2 pages here. So, all right, guys, we have, oh, isn't it so cute? Let me check, just because this is annoying me, let me see what I have in the way of spiders. Ooh, I have witch paper clips. We for sure want to use a witch paper clip. Look at that, for sure. And I will put this in there just for now because I don't want to lose it. But I have spiders. And I want a spider on here. So I don't want that there for sure. Let's put that spider down because this is going to drive me nuts. Because I know I have him. I know I want to use him. And I'm going to keep looking for something to put there. And I don't want to forget him. So, do we want him climbing up? I think we do, towards the ghost. And I think he's got a little puffy dot under his belly. So he is raised just a little bit. And with this, I think I'm going to say goodbye. I have no idea. I've lost track of time. I checked my phone before I sat down, and of course, then, you know, the brain gets going. So I hope that you are enjoying this half as much as I am putting it together because it's just cute. And yeah, this needs something. I just haven't decided yet what the need is. And I think we might do something up here. We have to decorate this. And of course we need tags. I don't know if that's going to stay there. What does this look like here? Bag of bones. No, I don't like that at all. No. I mean, obviously, whoever gets this can put anything wherever they want. Like to do this. This is so cute. We might want to get the washi tape out. Okay, guys, I don't know, but I'm going to let you go here. And we have a lot going on. I've got this cutie patootie we for sure want to use. All of this, we want to use all of this. I've got cards and all sorts of things to fill this up with. And we need to make some little booklets. So I will catch you in the next video. Meanwhile, take care and thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.